Hello, and welcome to another update from the True Harvest team. We've added a couple of new features that we wanted to make sure you are aware of. In the past, we've gone through showing you how to edit your field zones and your different field boundaries, but today we want to show you the irrigation zones and the exclusion zones. When you log into the True Harvest application, you can go back and forth between the Manage Portfolio and your Portfolio Manager. If you click on the Portfolio Manager and you have your field zones loaded, the first thing we want to show is how to set an irrigation zone. So the first thing we'll do is we'll select the correct field that we want to add. Then we'll go to our irrigation zones. Let's say that we want to add an irrigation zone around this square box in this location. We're going to click Add New, use the rectangle box because this is a nice square field. Select the area that we want to update, and then we'll want to choose, do we want this to be a boom irrigation, flood irrigation, or other? In this situation, we'll do flood irrigation, and now the zone has been successfully created. You'll be able to see that information over here and obviously edit it at your convenience. The next piece that we'd like to show you is how to add an exclusion zone. So we'll start again with our field zones, and in this case we're going to look at the polygon field that I've set up. What we'll do in this situation is we want to add an exclusion zone around the light pole. Let's go in and add an exclusion zone around a light pole that we've identified. So we click on the field zone, identify the field that we want to edit, and now we're going to do an exclusion zone. So here we'll click Add New. I'm going to use the polygon tool. Maybe I want to zoom in a little bit tighter. Here we'll go through and draw our boundary using the polygon tool around that light pole. Call this light pole. Click Yes. And now I've saved that exclusion zone. So when I go back and look at my field zones, I've identified that around it. When I look at my irrigation zones, I've got that area identified. So just to summarize, in this update we've shown you how to use irrigation zones and how to use exclusion zones all within your portfolio dashboard. If you have any questions, please call us at 888-875-4319.